And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest HG line for the upcoming new Gundam anime. We have the Mobile Suit GQuuuuuux. So this is the new HG line that will be for the new anime, which is Mobile Suit Gundam GQuuuuuux. And what we have here is the 1/144 HG GQuuuuuux. And as you can see in the box art, there's no Gundam written here, but instead we have GMS Omega, and it's the GQuuuuuux. And in the box art, we see the main anime, or sorry, the main mobile suit here in the space colony here. And I am liking the new box art. On to the side, we see the GQuuuuuux here, wherein you can do lots of poses with this one, and there are lots of gimmicks for the GQuuuuuux. Same thing here, and off to the other side, yeah, front and rear of the GQuuuuuux, and of course the story of the GQuuuuuux here, wherein a high school girl is involved in a clan battle after living peacefully in a space colony. And based on what I read in the internet is that this is an alternate UC timeline. Anyway, let's take a look what's inside the box. So it's pretty small bags actually. On the first bag, we have a multicolored sprue and an all black sprue and two stickers, a foil sticker and a dry transfer. Another bag, we have three more sprues, all red, all white, and a clear green. New style server effects. And last bag, all white and all blue. And finally, the instruction manual, wherein we see here the GQuuuuuux here, not Gundam GQuuuuux, but just GQuuuuuux. We see Yuzuri, what's the name again? Yeah, Yuzuriha here. The GQuuuuuux here. And some information about the GQuuuuuux here. And opening here, the style of how the manual is the same as the Witch from Mercury, wherein there's a information of what sprues you need here, but the additional is that they have the actual images of what is the part or how the part will be once you build it. And that's it for the instruction manual. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first up is the A sprue, where it is a multicolor sprue. We have some yellows, we have some white, we have some blue, and some black. Certainly a different kind of color for the yellow and the blue from the other Gundams, because usually it's much brighter, but this one is much muted. Then we have the B sprue here, which is all black. Some parts for the weapons you can see here, limbs, yep. And we have a C sprue, which again, same as all the main Gundams, there is always a white. And a D sprue, still colored white. Then back to the muted blue, which is in the E sprue here. And finally, the one other main component or color of the main Gundams is the red, but this is somehow muted red in the F sprue. And finally, I'm not sure if to call this a new beam saber effect, but it is a effect parts, a clear green on the G sprue here. Then we have the foil stickers earlier. Yes, you can see here, so shining bright Yeah, so some greens, yellow, gray, and some purple. And I'm not sure if we can pick this up in the camera. So yeah, a Pomeranian and Xeon. And of course some dry transfers here, which is all red. Yeah, so some markings I think that will be put into the Gundam once it's built. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 1/144 GQuuuuuux from the upcoming anime Mobile Suit Gundam GQuuuuuux. And yes, the design is slightly different. It's a fresh take on Gundam. It's all because the ones who animated, or the ones who created the mecha design for Evangelion is the one responsible in doing this. So yeah, more humanoid like Gundams. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the other videos, sharing videos, liking, commenting on them. And until next time, see you and thank you.